Hello, if you're in a co-parenting relationship and you just listened to the co-parenting workshop, or maybe you didn't, but you were very interested in some of the topics that I presented in the link, I'm offering a 3-session co-parenting series so that you can actually tailor some of the needs that you have to figure out in your co-parenting relationship with me. Hi, I'm Susan Regan, and I've been a co parenting expert and coach for over 20 years. And I've helped many co parents in all different situations figure out how to navigate their co parenting relationship better, learn new skills, and also stay very focused on their children and strengthen their relationship with their children, no matter what the developmental age is. If you need more information and you need to really look holistically at your situation so that you can feel like there's another place to go than the place you've been, get in touch with me. Let's have a 15-minute conversation to see if this is the right fit for you. But it's a 3-session discounted session series. That's a little tricky to say. So if it sounds like something that might work for you or that you've been missing, reach out to me and let's see if we can make it happen.